Okay, this is the Metminco Ltd chart, MNC, and I've been playing with some action-reaction lines lately, so thought I might have a play with MNC as well. Let's see if we can put some structure on the chart that gives us a belief about MNC that's actually tradable in the present. So what I've done there is I've taken a bottom significant low. I've got it there at the 10 cent. I could move it down here, but there makes more sense to me because we've had more touches along there, so I'll leave that there. And we've got an action line, we have a middle line, and then we have a reaction line, which is right there. So that pretty much that's worked out quite well. We have the action line, we have the middle line, and it's acted as support resistance over here, and the reaction line has then acted as resistance further up here. Okay, and that's worked out well. And if I had tried to move that down to there, let's see, I'll use the same middle line, but I wouldn't have caught this significant pivot here, so that tells me I've got the right lines here. Okay, what else can we do? We can, well, we might, hang on, I've done the wrong thing. Move it back up there where it should be. I might put some lines in the middle of these again and just see if they have any significance. 50%. Yep, that's acted as a action-reaction line. We'll use the fibs again to try and match the 50% again. And we've got that line there. Okay, good. Okay, well, let's have a look. Got the action line here. We've got this middle, the reaction line in between. We've got support and resistance lines, and they're actually quite strong support and resistance lines. We had this big move up where it resisted up here. We've got support and resistance here, and if you look closely, whenever that price, like you got this candlestick here that hasn't respected the line there, it's just gone straight through. Well, it's had to come back and then kiss the line. I've had this downward line that's this long candle that's disrespected the line. Well, it's had to come back, kiss the line before it can move on. We've had these. Yeah, it's never been allowed to disrespect the line without coming back and paying homage there. So that's a good strength support resistance line there. And I've got this one here. Okay, nice kiss on the top. Well, that's the same as that one there. So nice kiss there. But we've had a disrespect here on this candle. Try to go up. No, got to kiss the line before it lets you go back up. What about this one? Disrespected. Went up. Try to get away. No, you've got to kiss the line before you move up. What about this one? Well, that just no respect there whatsoever. It just gapped straight through. But guess what? No. Down, you have to kiss the line before you go back up. If this one here, we've got a candle disrespecting the line, and straight through. No, it's had to come back and kiss the line back there. So this is actually quite well framed, I think. So what can we do? What else can we do? Well, maybe we can just stack some more lines on, I suppose. because this is actually quite strong structurally. Add another line there, and what do we know? The next one up, let's kiss the line. Kiss the line right on the nose. There we go. So if we wanted to, so this is telling us something. This is actually, and these are actually quite tradable, because what they're telling me, what they're telling you is that they're showing you low risk entry points. So yeah, that's happy with that. I might stack some more on here. I'll go from there. I might save myself some time and go from there to there. Oh, I'll put one on the 50 and one on the 100, and maybe one even on the, might add one more. Don't know if I got this exactly right, but it's pretty close. Okay. So that looks quite good. Okay. So that puts a little bit of structure on the chart. Okay, what else can we add to this? Well, we've got some good horizontal action going there, and this is telling you that the chart's quite strong. So if you're a holder, there's no point selling that until it wants to break back down. But anyway, let's see if we can get some vertical. Let's see if we've got some vertical action happening. We've got this. We'll take it from this candle with the lowest low. Okay. So we've got time there going across these green lines, and what I'm just gonna do is just copy them across. Copy them across. Copy time across. And if you're looking at where price is in relation to these vertical lines here, you'll probably see that you've got some interesting action happening. Hang on, let's copy again. Okay, so now we've got the horizontal flat frame to the picture, and now we'll see if we can get the vertical, some sort of vertical alignment as well. Well, what we notice is, the first thing you notice is that price is always at the intersection of the red lines, horizontal lines, and the green time lines here, and that's pretty much, let's see if I can grab that. And that's pretty much without fail since May 2009. Price is always at the intersection between these timelines and the red horizontal lines that we've framed the chart on, and that's from this significant low here. So what's the chances, if it's done this every single time here, what's the chances that the price might be here, or here, or it's a bit of wishful thinking, but maybe there. So that's quite interesting as well. So what's that telling me? That's telling me that there's something happening here. This is like sort of a bit like scaffolding, is it? The scaffolding of this building is quite strict and very strong, and it gives it's quite good. So what are we going to do? We're going to add a we've got horizontal, we've got vertical. Why not go diagonal? So let me see. I'll take a low, a high, a low here. That gives me a fork. No, it doesn't work. Okay. What about a low down here, maybe there and there, and that sort of, that nearly works. Well, it's not quite right. I'd like to see the same sort of respect given to these lines, at least to the center line, as is given to the horizontal lines, and it's not quite there. It's close. It's probably close enough to be tradable even, but what else can we do? Maybe that one, that one, that one. That's pretty. That is actually not too bad. That's not too bad. I'll delete that and see if I can get a bit better. Delete the pitchfork. Let's go. Let's put the fibs on here and here. Draw a line in the middle there just to get the alignment right, and we'll anchor the fork right on the 15. That's pretty close to a red line there as well. That's not bad either. It's not bad either. I think I've nearly got that right. Let's put a vertical. Not a vertical. I'll try and extend this line out and see where it goes. And I'll try and get that lined up exactly. And so that's the median line. So that's pretty much telling you that. Okay, so what have I got here? I've got touches here at the intersection between the median and the red horizontal. We've got a touch. Well, that's not really a touch, but that's right in the middle of the gap, and it does have some relationship to price. So I'm going to count that as a touch, even though it's not really. We have a touch on the median line and the horizontal again. And then right up here on this median line, it actually intersects exactly where the timeline and the horizontal line kiss up here. So what's that? That's telling me that this median line and the horizontal line and these where you get these crosses, they're like price magnets. So if I had to pick one, there's three there. I'd pick that then and when, and that doesn't mean it can't go up like this first before it goes down like that, or down there before it goes up like that. But I think that's a price magnet there, and if we were to extend that out, that's we could even copy this ruler out again to get some more time, and we got what it's telling you is basically that trend's intact, and it's got good structure, and if you're a holder, there's really no point selling that just yet, I don't think. And if you're a trader, well, you've got plenty of points to pick low entry positions, because this is really good structure. That's me done.